Okay, let's start out with a few advanced flam fills. All of the fills in this section are just basically variations on the standard 40 rudiments, okay? And as you'll see with this example here, basically what we're doing is we're playing a variation on a common flam stroke. Okay, so what we're doing is the core pattern is just a left flam as an accent. Okay, and I'm just playing as rim shots at the moment. Then we play a right and then a left tap stroke. And then a bass drum note. Okay, so it's a four note pattern. So we play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or in sixteenths, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. You're probably going to notice a lot of snow bouncing off the drums and cymbals as we play. It's taken us 4 hours to set up, but we're here and we're doing it. Okay. A few things that you can do with this fill. The first thing is to split the actual flam between the toms and the snare. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to play the grace note of the flam just on the first tom at this stage. Okay, so we'll just play, and then everything else back on the snare. Flam, right, left, bass drum. Okay, a couple of things to note when you're playing flams between either two toms or a tom and a snare. The first thing is you want to make sure the distance between the two notes is a fair way apart. In a lot of classical snare drumming, they play flams really crushed, really tight together like this. Generally, when you're playing them on the toms or between toms and snare, you want to split them apart, okay? Okay, so that's what we're doing. The other thing is, unlike when I was playing it on the snare going, or when you commonly do play a flam, we want to make sure that the grace note is a little bit louder, because if we play the grace note too softly, we're not going to hear it, and we do want that tom note to come through. Okay, so that's the first thing, is just move the right hand around the toms.